want to talk to you guys about blocking out the haters. Simple concept. Many people overthink it. It's simple. I want you to take your hands, put them together like this. What you see inside your hands is your life. Now, do you realize that only you can see what's happening in there? All those memories, all that effort, all those days, whatever it is, good or bad, only you know what's going on in there. Everything else outside of that shell, it doesn't matter. If someone says something, trust, respect, just keep eating, stay hungry. We outside. Get hungry, boys. Everybody eats.